Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to make a delicious and easy vegetable biryani recipe that's perfect for lunch or dinner. So let's get started the cooking process. I am taking Sona Masuri rice of around 500 grams. It is around half kg. If you want, you can try it out with basmati rice. Wash it nicely for 2 to 3 times. Strain the water and let it soak for 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the green chutney paste for marination. Take 3 green chilies, 1 handful of mint leaves, 1 handful of cilantro. Add little bit of water and blend it into a fine paste. It should be in very smooth consistency. Now we'll do the marination of veggies. Add chopped beans of half cup, cauliflower pieces half cup, broccoli pieces half cup, half cup of chopped potato, soaked and squeezed soya chunks of around half cup. It's supposed to be soaked in boiling water. Overnight soaked peas half cup, chopped carrot half cup. Add salt of 3 tablespoons, garam masala powder 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 2 tablespoons, jeera powder 2 tablespoons, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 2 tablespoons and 60 ml of curd. Add the green chutney paste. Mix it nicely, mix it well. Let the vegetables absorb the aromas and flavors of the masalas. Let it keep for 10 minutes. Now make ready the whole garam masala which is required for biryani. I am using mud pot here. Take around 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add in whole garam masala into it once the oil gets heated. Now add around half cup of chopped onion. Add 3 slits of green chilies. Add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now fry until the rawness smell goes from the ginger garlic paste. Now add half cup of chopped tomatoes. Now add around half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Let tomato get softened completely. Now add the marinated veggies into it. Add slowly. Mix it thoroughly. Now close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes, I am adding around 1000 ml of water as I have taken half kg of rice. Water to rice ratio is very crucial. The general rule of thumb for cooking rice is to use a 2:1 water to rice ratio. That means that for every 1 pot of rice, you should use 2 parts of water. So now add the soaked rice in the rolling boiling water. Close the lid and let it simmer for 15 minutes in low flame. In between, lift the lid and check if the water has been absorbed or not. Now again close the lid and continue to simmer for the remaining minutes. So after 15 minutes, the rice is perfectly cooked. Now it's time to garnish with the cilantro or coriander. And that's it. The super tasty veg biryani is ready to serve hot. A flavorful aromatic rice dish which is made with the veggies and blend of spices is ready to taste now. It is a very healthy dish which is good for lunch and dinner. So try it out and let me know how it came to you. Thank you all. Bye bye.